we have a package. What is there inside this package? We're gonna see. Today's video will be presented by her, Veda. So it's all yours. Let's proceed. Open the box. Tell the people what is inside. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's start. What is there? It's new OnePlus 7 and it's a gift for me from his side, and it's my first OnePlus mobile. Okay, let's start. How should I begin? Where should I start? Okay. Can I open like this? No, I have to use this scissors. Okay.
No, fill up. Pull it up. Pull it. It will open.
Yes. I was using LG J6. Yeah, LG J6 I was using previously. Now it's my new phone, OnePlus 7. Yay! Array, one more. Okay. And it's a beautiful red.
Drop it.
No ways.
Drop it.
I don't know how many times. Okay. It is okay. Yes. A beautiful red color mobile. First red mobile with me. And what is there inside? Okay, this is already having tempered glass. You can see this. It's already having tempered glass attached, or whatever you call it. And
That must be back cover.
back cover
Transparent. Yeah.
transparent.
Even I got the same thing last time.
And he has OnePlus 6 and I'm having OnePlus 60 and I'm having OnePlus 7. I'm going to stick this.
Show it to me. Okay, not bad. It is actually looking good. This cover is enough, I think.
Yes.
The charging port is actually closed. Okay. Oh, it is open again. Closable. Okay.
What is there?
Look at that.
Oh.
You can open and close it. It's actually good.
It's 256 GB one.
256 GB, 8 GB RAM.
And in this box, just those manuals and.
There is no manual in that, I think. Is that?
It's there.
Okay.
And
That is-
some other stuff.
There must be a sticker also.
Yes.
They had mentioned in.
See this.
Acha, that one. Where will you use this one? Never settle.
I don't know.
Never settle. This is for my bike. Never settle.
Yeah,
This will
I know
look good.
you're going to use that.
This will look good.
Some invitation.
Not the above one, only this one. This will be pasted on my bike very soon. Tomorrow.
There's one little
What is that?
invitation letter.
Okay. Anything readable? Friend. Oh, my friend.
Welcome you to the OnePlus community. Okay, we saw this cover and in some invitation letters. Okay, let's see what else is there. Okay, this is charging cable, long one, and next is a big charger.
That must be same, just like mine.
Yeah, I think that's it.
What
No.
else? 4 amp output 5 volt. Okay, must be the same one. Fast charging.
Earphone will not come with this.
Yeah, earphone they don't give.
We don't have adapter also.
What adapter?
No, the charging. No, earphone adapter kind of.
Okay, that one, small one.
Yeah, that small
No,
one.
I think let's see. It must be somewhere here, no? Along with this, it must come.
No, it is not there. It is not there.
Check.
No, it is not
Usually
there.
that earphone connector will come. Last time I got it, earphone connector. Without that, how will you connect your?
No, it is not there.
Okay, congrats. You have to buy one.
Yes. That's okay. Type C
Talking
only.
about this one. Yes, this is my old one. The Type C to audio jack converter. This one. They were supposed to give it inside the box, but I don't know why. They are not even. OnePlus. Hi there.
Start.
Start United States. Agree. You have to agree, otherwise you cannot log in.
Agree.
Agree. I am in. Just go on pressing. Okay, I'm in. I'm outside. Connect to network. Skip.
Skip.
No SIM card. Connect to Wi-Fi. Connect to the Wi-Fi right now because. Alright, hiding the password. Oh my god, no passwords. Is it done? Alright.
I think
Connected.
it connected. Yeah.
Checking for updates. There may be updates. Okay, logged into Google. Okay. now the Play Store.
Agree.
Now you can copy all the data, I think. I mean the apps and all. Yes,
Backup.
yes. Leave okay.
Okay.
Backup everything.
Accept.
Use your face or finger. I don't think face. Just give skip.
Skip.
Okay, fingerprint is okay. Next.
Next. Security backup screen. I agree.
Fingerprint.
Oh, here, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5,
4,
6.
5, 6, 7, 8. Hey. Next.
H input.
Yes.
You can do the remaining next later.
Yeah.
Continue.
Continue.
I agree.
I
You will have to.
agree. Okay.
Continue.
Continue.
Skip. Don't add cards. Anything else? Add another email? Nothing?
No, thanks. I'll add it later.
Okay, next. Wait.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Wait. Okay, just give okay. You can set everything later.
What is this?
Font. Okay.
Next.
Oh my gosh. Live wallpaper, eh? Allow. You need to change that wallpaper, otherwise it will drain your battery.
First
Hello.
OnePlus.
Camera. So along with app, there is one system update also. 230 MB is downloading. How big is the screen? 6-inch maybe? Yeah. Okay. So this one is okay, almost
Almost
same.
same. I think width-wise it is little.
OnePlus 6T and OnePlus 7. Both are same. They only upgraded some internal.
Okay.
Claps. Come on.
It's not.
No, don't press that.
Yeah.
Yes, done. Enough.
Done.
Enough.
And hey.
38K.
Yes.
Okay, 38,000 in Amazon.in, and there was some offer like 2,000 or something, and I think we got it at 35 around, right?
35.
All right, okay. So we'll be selling this old mobile LG. This mobile was pretty good for the last 6 months, and LG G6 mobile is good, but it started hanging a lot. Like it takes much time to open single app also.
And battery drains.
Battery is okay.
But
Battery you usually get 1 day, right? One whole day you will get. Now it is 47%. You charged in the morning.
no, I charge in between. It
Okay.
will come half day.
This
if I
mobile is
use.
good. Only thing is after using for 6 months, it started, hanging and all. So that is the reason why we thought of changing the mobile. So I'm going to sell that mobile through a website cashify.com, and I'll be getting around 4,800 rupees only. Anyway,
Mobile cost around
38
38.
yes,
Yeah, we
37%.
paid 38.
We paid 38 around in Chroma, and obviously mobile resale value will be always less. So we'll be getting 4,800 around. So the final price of this one will become how much? 31,
Yeah.
32? Yes. Okay. Only thing is we have to buy that earphone connector.
Connector, yeah.
Converter actually. Type C to audio jack converter. Anyway. Okay. OnePlus 6T, OnePlus 7. The black one, the red one. Which one is good? I love the black one. What do
I
you
love
say?
the red one.
So look at the video quality in this OnePlus 7. Camera quality is very good. Check all the stuffs here.
Bill
And this is my 6T, OnePlus 6T. This camera is also very good. No complaints. Camera is very good, no doubt. Yep. All right. And this camera is ultimate. Not for photos, only for videos. GoPro 5 Black. Yep.
Number settle.